How do I create a datetime in Python from Milliseconds? How do I create a datetime in Python from Milliseconds? I can create a similar date object in Java by java.util.date. Milliseconds allocates a date object and initializes it to represent the specified number of milliseconds since the standard base time known as the epoch, namely January 1st, 1970, 0 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time.
Just convert it to timestamp.
What about this? I presume it can be counted onto handle dates before 1970 and after 2038. As mentioned in the Python standard lib, for timestamp may raise value error if the timestamp is out of the range of values supported by the platform C local time or GM-time functions. It's common for this to be restricted to years in 1970 through 2038. Very obviously, this can be done in one line. Not only was this obvious from my answer, but the 2015 comment by JFS is also highly misleading because it calls the variable UTC_time. Oh no, it's not time, it's datetime, and it's most definitely not UTC. The datetime with which we're concerned here is a timezone-naive datetime, as opposed to a timezone-aware datetime. Therefore definitely not UTC. Search on this if you're not familiar with the issue.
Bit heavy because of using pandas, but works.